Lipstick is difficult to remove. In this case, we applied a generous smear to best illustrate FibreGuard's optimal performance. Apply water to the stain, then blot with a white paper towel. Although this will remove little of the stain residue, this step is necessary to soak the stain. When the paper towel is no longer absorbing the lipstick, apply a small amount of household soap and water to the stain. Then, in circular movements, gently rub the area with a microfiber cloth. Repeat this process using soap intermittently and only as required. Be sure to use plenty of water to remove both the stain and the soap. Continue this process until the stain is completely removed. Allow the fabric to dry naturally to see the final result.